Hi there. Are you the shareholder of a corporation wondering what a shareholder agreement is and whether you need one? I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners, and I'm going to briefly explain what a shareholder agreement is and let you know whether you should have one or not. Okay, first, what is a shareholder agreement? Well, unlike the bylaws of a corporation, which basically set forth the responsibilities of the shareholders, directors, and officers to the corporation, the shareholder agreement is a contract bind among the shareholders themselves. So why would there be a shareholder agreement in any situation? Well, that's because the shareholders of a corporation need some sort of an agreement to set forth what happens if one of the shareholders wants to transfer his or her stock. What if one of them dies, becomes incapacitated? What if one of them becomes divorced? What happens if they're also an employee and they are fired as an employee, but they're still a shareholder? All of those kinds of factors can go into a shareholder agreement, which again is a contract bind among the shareholders themselves of the company. Okay, so you know what a shareholder agreement is generally. Do you need one for your corporation? If you only have one shareholder, if it's a solely owned company, you most likely don't need a shareholder agreement. There are some exceptions to that I don't have time to go through here. However, if you have two or more shareholders, you really should have a shareholder agreement, even if the shareholders are spouses, best friends, relatives. And that is because the shareholder agreement will set forth what happens when there's a disagreement. What happens if one of those people cannot speak for themselves? So again, even though you have a great relationship with your co-shareholder, your partner, if you want to call them that, even though it's a corporation, the shareholder agreement allows you to put into writing all of those things that you might think about could happen someday. Hope that doesn't, you hope these things don't happen, but if they do happen, then you've already put what you want to have happen in writing for anybody to be able to refer to. So if you have any questions about a shareholder agreement, whether you need one, please contact our office. We can be found at www.taylorlegal.com. I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners. Thank you.